In this video, I want to show you how to bring content that you've used in previous semesters and bring it into your current courses. So when you first log in to AsULearn, in Course Overview, you have Timeline and Courses, and within Courses, there are three tabs: In Progress, Future, and Past. In Progress should contain your Spring 2019 courses. If you go to Past, this will have your Fall 2018 courses. Future is eventually where your summer courses will appear. Now, for a couple of these courses, this one, I just taught the course last fall, so I just can use Import to bring that content in because that course appears on Past. So I would click on the course, go under the gear, go to Import. Then I would select the course, make sure it's Fall 2018, click the blue Continue button, and then click Jump to Final Step. Eventually what you'll see is the green bar telling you it's complete, and you click the blue Continue button, and it's brought in all your content. Now, for this other course, I didn't teach it last fall. I taught it a year ago, maybe 2 years ago. How do I get that content into AsULearn? So if you scroll down in My AsULearn sites, we have several tabs. AsULearn Projects is going to have your committee sites, your development courses, but you'll also have your old teaching courses. So what you would do is click on the appropriate term, and once you find the course, you would click Request Backup. And I'll warn you, this can take a little bit of time. We're estimating 15 minutes. So if you click Request Backup and then you don't see Restore Archive, I'm going to recommend that you hit the refresh button. That freshens the page, and hopefully that will bring in this button that says Restore Archive. So here is the course. I taught it in fall 2016, but to bring that content in, all I have to do is click Restore Archive, and then I would select the course, and you'll notice it's showing you your fall and your spring, so you want to make sure you pick the correct course. And then click OK. After you click OK, it starts the restore process, which has a few more clicks than import, but it's doable. So on this very first screen, it's just showing you everything that was in that course. Scroll to the bottom and hit Continue. In this next step, it's asking, do you want me just to add all of this course, essentially merge it? Or do you want me to delete everything out and then add the content? Now the course is empty, so merge is appropriate. I'm going to leave that button clicked and click Continue. In this next step, it's a confirmation screen. Scroll to the bottom, click Next. On this screen, you just need again to scroll to the bottom and click Next. On this screen, scroll to the bottom and click Perform Restore. Depending on the size of the course, this may take just a moment. Eventually, what you should see is the green bar telling you the restore was successful. You hit the Continue button, and there's your content. Now, occasionally, when you go to an older course and you hit Request Backup, you may see this message, File Too Large. If you see that, you need to contact your IT consultant, and we'll help you get your content into your new course.